Hey, welcome everyone. Tom here from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in these insane markets. It is 6:49 on Monday morning, September 16th, 2024. Let's get into it. We're going to start our daily analysis off with dollar yen. Dollar yen a little bit weak. It came down to, we have support at 139.58. Actually came down and touched that level. Support at 139.82 is another level of support. Resistance sitting right now at 140.32 in dollar yen. So in order for this thing to show any type of strength, it really needs to stay above 140.15, and it's not doing it right now. So you got to keep your eye on sterling dollar. Sterling dollar is starting to make a little bit of noise. It's starting to kind of come up to that 132 level. It's sitting right now right at 132. That's what's driving the sterling yen. We're going to get into that in a second. But so where's dollar yen's ultimate target? If dollar yen can break below, say, and stay below 139.82, we're probably, the first target would be right around 139.20. If it breaks 139.20, all right, the next level of support is 138.42. So we got a lot of airspace, but it's slowly drifting lower. In order for it to break up above, it really needs to get above. I mean, the volatility has been crazy, like 142.24 in order to shake off medium-term weakness. 142.24. So just the daily points right now, we got resistance at 140.33. We have a minor support at 139.80 and again at 139.58. The reason they're minor is because they've already been broken. So market punched through them. So they're considered minor. The next level of supports 139.20, and then 138, like I said, 42-ish, 50, something like that. All right, let's move on to sterling yen. Hang on one second. Let me get up sterling yen. Okay, good old sterling yen. We had support, and we still do, sitting at 183.70. We came, I think we came within, a whisker of that support, okay? Where is the next level of resistance? Well, next level of resistance is, let's see here. Let me get a tighter level. These are too far. Hang on. Okay, sterling yen holding the support level and breaking up through, say, the 30 level. This is, I believe that the 30 level is the level it needs to hold above in order to show the strength. Right now, the target's 185.30. Okay, if it could get above 185.30, then it's shooting for 185.67. If it breaks that, then we're going back to like the 186, let's just say 186 level, like that. I don't see, I don't know. I mean, it's been in a downward coil for a while. It could pop up pretty quickly. The key is that dollar yen. If dollar yen can hold, you got to keep your eye on the sterling, because if sterling's tracking up and dollar yen is pinned, then sterling yen is going up. So you got to understand the components of the cross, how to like the legs of the cross. But by you watching, like if you see sterling constantly moving up and dollar yen not moving down, then you know sterling yen is moving up through sterling. They're finally doing sterling yen through sterling, which is interesting because they haven't done that. The market has not done that in a long time. All right, so let's move on to euro yen. All right, euro yen is kind of interesting because it broke down quite significantly. And now it's kind of recovering. In my opinion, euro yen's got to get above 155. Well, it's 156 to figure. If it get above 156 to figure, it's tracking towards 156.50. If it can't get above that figure, it's coming back down into the range. And, the first level supports the 155.35. Well, we got level at like 40. If it breaks 40, let's say 35, 155.35 is first level support. After that, really, it's like, let me get a tighter number for you. Hang on. Okay, it needs to recover over 150, say, 6 to figure. if it can do that, the first target's 156.30, and then, well, this is a crooked line, huh? It's supposed to be 156.70, actually. So hang on a second. Why is this? Okay, 67. That's close enough. 156.70. If it can't sustain this, it's heading back down to 155.35. Then, if it breaks that, there's support at 155. Hang on, 154, 155.35. Oh my gosh, I keep. Okay, so let me recap because I confused myself there. It needs yen needs to get above 156 the figure, and then the first target would be 156 60-ish. Okay, I would say 60-ish would be a good target. If it can get through that, then it's going back up to the 157s. But let's take it one step at a time. It first needs to get over 156, the figure. The ultimate target's 156.60. The first target would be 156.30. It's Monday morning, okay? I haven't even lit my cigar yet. Matter of fact, I'm going to do that right now. I'm not going to get all panicky and nervous. There is short-term support at 153.40, 155.53-ish, 155.45-ish in euro yen. There is definitely support at 155.13. 155.13. This 35, it's a minor support. The reason why I say it's minor is because it popped through. So it's like the stronger one is really like at 13. You could still use this. I mean, if it breaks through this, it's heading towards 154.90. If it breaks 154.90, all right, we're on target to 154.40, and then if it breaks that, we're going into the 153s. But let's just take it again one step at a time with this as well. But really, it's showing some weakness today. Right now, it's showing weakness by its inability to get above that 156, the figure level. That's kind of showing some weakness. And also, the British pound, it's not, ragingly higher. You got to watch that dollar yen. Dollar yen's broke, and dollar yen's actually showing that the yen is getting a bit stronger, and that one might be the play of the day. So follow that dollar yen analysis that I gave you. All right, let's go really quickly to the British pound. All right, good old sterling dollar finally broke through the 130-170. The target for this thing is 132.65. It needs to get above 132.65. Then the Queen's got to confirm, and then we're looking that we're going to the higher levels of sterling, which would be the first higher level would be, hang on, I'll give you a number. So if it can close above 132.65, the next target's 133, and then 133.56 is the upper levels. Now, if it breaks back down through, say, this 130-170, it's basically just in a consolidation. Again, I've always been saying I'm not expecting sterling dollar to fall out of bed. It's just a slow grind. I would think that if we broke through this level of support at 130-170, we're tracking back down to the 130-150 levels again, which was a point that was around forever. And we basically were saying that we didn't think, sterling's not going to just fall out of bed. So it's really all dollar yen. I think sterling has more of a potential to gain steam and rally up a little bit. It's all depending also on this Ukrainian situation. I mean, that could be this black swan that we have to watch out for. I mean, if it's unfathomable to me that they would be talking about launching long-range missiles into Russia. It's just insanity, because it's fucking insanity. And I don't know why, anybody would want a full-blown out war with Russia, since they basically have nuclear weapons. But I'm going off on a tangent here, but I'm just telling you that It wouldn't make a difference anyway. I mean, really, all this shit would be for naught. I mean, it would be, it doesn't, would make, if that was to, if we're going that way, then all this shit that we're doing is just useless. So anyway, if you like what you see, please put in the comments what you think about my analysis. Don't mention anything about the Russia thing. YouTube won't like that at all. But you know, remember, enjoy the party, but dance near the door. If you like what you see, smash the like button, subscribe, share the videos far and wide. Head on over to Park Avenue Trading and get yourself a free ebook. If we're still around to use it. Anyway, have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing another video. Cheers.